Hey guys, MagFan45 here. I know I look like crap, but I have a new video. I wasn't expecting this as a gift, but I got it. Awesome. I just want to do a quick unboxing, which here I need to find something quickly. I wasn't long off prepared. I had to because I can't use my camcorder yet because I don't know firewire cable. That kind of sucks. I'm just raising this thing up if you guys are wondering. Because I have to use a bunch of stuff to raise this thing up. There we go. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. There it is. Yeah, I might get interrupted in the middle of this video. The reason why is because I told my whole sister that. Okay, we're just gonna get back to this. Like I was saying, the reason why is because I told my whole sister I'd help her set up her new iPad Shuffle. Quick start guide. Dock connector, great, because I got the Griffin power dock. But for now, I'm just gonna put it in my Apple Universal dock. Sync cable. Good. I don't know if I'm gonna need another one of these. Headphones. My second pair of headphones I got for Christmas. And there goes everything. So yeah, now let's try to open this thing up again. And then bend. This thing doesn't want to open. Okay, let me move all this stuff out of the way. Sorry about this long video. They say I get to try to do this two-handed. I got it. Good thing. So yeah, now all I have to do is just transfer over everything. Which I'm probably just going to do the latest episode of podcast because I have a crap load of podcasts from Big Nation and stuff. So yeah, this is it. I'll be back to you guys once I get it.